Okay, come check this out, you guys. So when you're setting a fence line, a straight line of fence posts, you're gonna put in your first post and you're gonna put in your last post. Very, very important. Then you're gonna pull a string line between the two, so every fence post you set after that, you set to that string line all the way down. That's what's gonna give you your nice straight line. So this string line is in our perfect plane, so we're gonna set this post. And the nice thing about this straight line is I can tell if the post is twisted a little bit. So we're gonna set that right there, make sure it's plumb, tamp it in. See how nice that looks? Hope you have the best day ever.